All of us have dreams. Our dreams inspire us and give us purpose. When others choose to put down our dreams, it hurts. Elon recently revealed that Charlie Munger shared with the whole table in a lunch event in 2009 about all the ways that Tesla would fail. Elon felt sad, but decided that it was worth trying anyway, even if the chance of success was just 10%. After many tough years, Tesla now has more than 2.3 million EVs on the road, and is one of the most profitable automotive companies in the world. The world's transition to EVs is no longer in doubt. In this video, I'll share why Tesla's ability to attract great talent helps it to continue to defy the odds even as it faces greater challenges, and what it means for Tesla investors and fans. My name is Daren. Click subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla. The foundation of every company's success is its people. Elon has said many times that Tesla's success depends on everyone in the team, not just a handful of people. The best talent, especially engineers, can get any job they want. Great talent are mission-oriented. They want to make a difference to this world. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Extraordinary goals attract extraordinary talent. They are drawn together. Elon is a talent magnet and does a great job recruiting people who have a healthy disregard for the impossible. Tesla is also making a big difference in another way. The world's largest cause of preventable and often violent death are road accidents, taking away 1.3 million lives a year. Tesla's employees demonstrate a lot of pride in building the world's safest cars through a combination of hardware and software. While many acknowledge Elon's engineering genius, those who truly know him also know that he's full of heart. Here's a short clip with Elon sharing why Tesla launched Autopilot.
The thing that really, got me to, it's like, man, we better get Autopilot going and get it out there, was a guy was in an early Tesla driving down the highway and he fell asleep and he ran over a cyclist and killed him. And it's like, I was like, man, if we had Autopilot, wouldn't have run out of we might have fallen asleep, but at least he wouldn't have run over that cyclist.
Despite many criticisms of Autopilot, a Tesla Autopilot on is 9 times less likely to get into an accident. There is still a lot of work to be done. If you were given a 10% chance to save a life, would you do it? The opportunity to solve for one of the largest preventable causes of human deaths is a powerful reason to get up for work every morning. The people who want to change the world aren't interested in making a car that's 10% better. They want to make a 10x difference. They want to work on moonshots. The engineers who joined NASA in the 1960s, after listening to John F. Kennedy's speech about putting an American on the moon by the end of the decade, probably didn't have all the answers when they first began. You could say that they only had a 10% chance of success and made it possible only through their determination and resourcefulness. The engineers who joined Tesla after listening to Elon's vision for full self-driving, robotics, and AI are now holding the torch for the dreamers of this generation. While Tesla has passed many hurdles with EVs, failure is still a large possibility for the many technological S-curves that Tesla is aiming for. FSD, robotics, and AI are not side projects in Tesla, like an incubator in some other companies. These have Elon's full attention. Everyone in Tesla is playing a part in turning science fiction into reality, and that is truly exciting for them. Gary Black believes that this may scare some institutional investors and may create the perception that Tesla isn't focused on its core business. I agree. I also believe that this excites growth investors with a long-term horizon. The founder of Interactive Brokers recently said that Tesla is one of the most popular holdings for retail investors on its platform. Many of them intend to hold for the long term. Many of you watching this are Tesla shareholders and stand to gain enormously in the years to come if Tesla succeeds in their next moonshots. There are also those of us here who deeply believe in Tesla's mission. To you I say, why watch the future happen when you can build it? If you're crazy enough, there may be a place for you in Tesla. I want to end now with one of my favorite commercials.
Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them. About the only thing you can't do is ignore them, because they change things. They push the human race forward. While some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.